Okay, after the speech of Nelson Mandela, what had happened later, like the emergence of new democratic South Africa, uh, black leaders appeal to follow the black forgive and whites for the atrocities and they had committed while in power, and they said let us build a South African based on equality, races, all women and men, on democratic values, social justice, and human rights. The party that ruled through the operations and brutal killings, the party that led to the freedom struggle set together draw up the common constitution. Means what had happened after that emergence of new democratic South Africa, जैसे ही South Africa मतलब democratic South country बना, so black leaders ने अपील किया कि ये क्योंकि वो goodness जो उनकी थी, they continued that particular one and the fellow blacks one forgive the whites. Means we will not take any kind of revenge of the atrocities what had been done by them on them, and means when they were in the power, and they will build now South Africa based on equality means everyone is equal before the law and all the races and men and women, on democratic values, social justice, and human rights. The party that ruled through the rights and means rule through the operation and brutal killing, matlab whatever they had done, they will not think over that, but simultaneously the people who were tortured and you can say, and the people who were brutal, they will not you can say such kind of issue will not be discussed. So means in a new way the constitution will be discussed or will be drawn after 2 years of discussion. Means it's a long period of time, 2 year of discussion, the debate, they came out with one of the finest constitution in the world has ever had, and the constitution gave to its citizen the most extensive rights available in the country. 2 साल के डिस्कशन के बाद जो है बहुत अच्छा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनकर निकला, और ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने क्या किया, इट्स सिटीजन मोस्ट एक्सटेंसिव राइट अवेलेबल इन द कंट्री, सबको वो राइट्स दिए जो कि मतलब बहुत एक यूनिक राइट्स थे, लाइक टुगेदर दे डिसाइडेड इन द सर्च ऑफ सोल्यूशन ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, मतलब वो हर प्रॉब्लम का सामना सब मिलकर कर सकते, एंड ओनली शुड बी एक्सक्लूडेड, नो वन शुड बी ट्रीटेड एज अ सब equal थे, no one is equal, no one is above the law, no one is below the law. And Daman means like earlier what kind of behavior they were doing, like a Daman, and they agreed that everybody should become the part of the solution, and whatever they might have done to represent in the past, the preamble of South African constitution sums up this spirit. What kind of spirit? That the solution is in the constitution, means every problem can be killed up. And South African constitution inspires democracy all over the world. The state denounced by the entire world till recently as the most undemocratic one is now seen as the model of democracy. जहाँ पर डेमोक्रेसी नहीं था वो कंट्री वर्ल्ड में एक डेमोक्रेटिक मॉडल बन के सामने आया. And what made this changes possible was the determination of people. It's very very important. कैसे ये बना, ये determination के through बना, लोगों का दृढ़ विश्वास, and people Africa to work together, a feeling to work together, मतलब mutual understanding, लोगों को साथ रहने के काम करने की feeling, to transform the bitter experiences of the binding glue of the rainbow. Bitter experiences मतलब as we seen in the coming segment about the Constitution of India, that whatever the torture and atrocities the people tolerated in the rule of colonies, means they did not forget them, but उनको एक अच्छे रूप में उन्होंने काम में लिया कि आने वाले समय में ऐसा ना हो कि ये नेटिव लोग भी दूसरों के लिए ऐसा काम करें, उस चीज को उसके लिए भी उन्होंने लॉस बनाया. इसका मतलब ये है बिटर एक्सपीरियंसेस टू बाइंडिंग द ग्लो ऑफ रेनबो, और वो एक्सपीरियंसेस ही इसमें काम आए. मतलब रेनबो का मतलब है मल्टी रेशियल पीपल हु आर लिविंग इन द कंट्री विद स्पीकिंग डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस एंड डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ, उससे बनकर एक चीज जो बनी वो एक रेनबो का काम करे. ठीक है, इंद्रधनुषी मतलब कंट्री में. Now, Mandela said about this, about the constitution of the country. The constitution of South Africa speaks of both what the past and the future. मतलब जो हुआ और भविष्य में जो होगा दोनों के लिए इसमें बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें हैं. On the one hand, it is the Solomon Pact. Solomon Pact, serious pact. Pact means agreement, in which we as South African declare to one another that we shall never permit a repetition of our racist. मतलब what had happened, we will not get a chance to repeat in our country कि दोबारा से कभी ऐसा होगा लाइक ब्रूटल एंड रिप्रेसिव पास्ट जो हमने सहा है उसको रिपीट कभी नहीं करेंगे, कभी नहीं होना चाहिए. बट इट इज मोर देन दैट, इट इज ऑल्सो अ चार्टर फॉर द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ अवर कंट्री. ये एक ऐसा चार्टर बन गया है जो हमारे कंट्री को शिफ्ट किया, जिसने मतलब फ्रॉम अपार्थाइड टू डेमोक्रेसी इनटू वन विच देयर इज ट्रूली शेयर्ड बाय ऑल इट्स पीपल. किसकी वजह से हुआ? क्योंकि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या है? इट्स ऑफ पीपल ओनली ना. द वॉइस ऑफ पीपल है, इज ओनली बाय द पीपल. एंड country which in which fullest sense of belongs to us, to all of us, black, white, women and men. ये हमारा सबका है, मतलब whites का भी है, blacks का भी है, हर एक इंसान का है who is residing in the country. So this was the famous speech of Nelson Mandela, who you can say delivered after the Constitution of Africa. So all we read about what had happened in South Africa, and this was the beautiful image created by South African people to the world. Like means when today's in today's scenario, what is happening? People are fighting; they are against of each other. Mutual understanding is not there. They claiming for democracy but not following the democracy. So till here we discuss this. And in the next segment, we'll discuss about Indian Constitution. Thank you. Have a good day.